Children in Wales is a charity-run organisation and we work with young people, engaging them to become partners in the process. Our current project is funded by the WCVA for a strategic volunteering grant, and we are working in partnership to make a collaborative project with the Football Association of Wales. In this partnership, we are ensuring that an effective process of participation and youth engagement is being utilised to ensure that we can recruit, retain and induct volunteers correctly. We have spent years developing this practice that we can share with other organisations to be able to implement a really good structure of youth volunteering.
We, in 2022, launched a National Youth Council. They're involved in so many areas of our development as an association. They're very much involved within our council, our boards.
You get to look at the finance, the disability and inclusion, the education. Before I joined the Youth Council, I thought football was just what was on the pitch. So for me, it's totally opened my doors and horizons to opportunities and to networking.
It's so nice having 14 other young people from all over Wales and coming together on something that we all love most. Talking about it in a professional way and kind of having that direct link and relationship with the FAW is really nice.
The aim of it was that we could work collaboratively together. What we would get from that would be the learning that our organisational structures of youth engagement and process could be transferable into another organisation. There would be a learning curve for us in seeing that we could transfer this model, but also for the learning for the FAW, where they will upskill their staffs, they will have a quality educative experience, and they would have some accredited learning to take away also.
They've really been able to support us, not just in that knowledge sharing, but that workload, and really bring this whole new level of expertise and knowledge when it comes to interacting with young people.
Since the Children of Wales people have come on with us, they've been a massive boost or an inspiration, and they've really put a spin and their own insight into how we're thinking, what we're communicating and how we operate.
Ers i Plant yng Nghymru ymuno efo'n gwaith ni, dwi'n meddwl bod y cyfarthrebiad wedi bod lot yn hawsach, a oherwydd ni gallwn ni wedi creu gwaith lot yn well.
What we've learned from this is that you can't go in with your strict process. It has to be a little bit adaptable and it has to be transferable, because two organisations are not the same. But as long as we are open, transparent, honest, we have the ability to be able to shape our youth engagement process into any organisation possible. And if you can do it as big as the Football Association of Wales, then we've definitely got the ability to do it with anyone else.